Hello guys, new year, newsletter. That's right, there's a new newsletter. Like I always say, no spamming. We only release a newsletter when there's enough new, exciting, cool devices. And this newsletter is jam-packed with new cool devices. And the first thing that really stands out, outdoor devices. Sorry for the awful wordplay, it happens unconsciously. First up, there's the new Netbox 5 AX, a Wi-Fi 6 upgrade of the Netbox series. Very versatile device. You can use it as an access point, CPE, even a powerful point-to-point link. So I really like the enclosure. I've actually tested it. It's easy to open, easy to mount, so definitely check it out. It obviously has a gigabit Ethernet PoE in, and there are so many reasons to upgrade to Wi-Fi 6. It's not just about the speed. In this newsletter, we've listed more reasons to switch to Wi-Fi 6, including like security, reliability, energy efficiency. That's a huge thing nowadays. So yeah, there's the outdoor Netbox 5 AX Wi-Fi 6 upgrade, and another Wi-Fi 6 upgrade of a popular outdoor device is the Mandbox AX 15S. So that's also a Wi-Fi 6 upgrade of the previous Mandbox. It's a dual band sector antenna base station, and again, outdoor device, PoE, gigabit Ethernet. This one is dual band, and it also has SFP with 2.5 gigabit support. You can read all about it in this newsletter, and also don't forget to watch the videos included in the newsletters, and ask your questions in the comments. So that's that. 2 new outdoor devices, and I have a feeling that those are not the last outdoor devices this year. So stay tuned and check out the newsletter, and don't forget to subscribe. We will never spam you, never. Moving on, the RouterBOARD series for the real do-it-yourself champions. After like I think it's years and years of no new RouterBOARD DIY devices, we have finally released a new one, the L11UG. So it has MMCX connectors, so you can create your own omnidirectional access points. You can create powerful point-to-point links. It has a powerful dual-core CPU, PoE, DC jack, gigabit Ethernet, and strong 5 GHz wireless, and of course a USB port. So I like to call it a sysadmin's Lego, because you can build anything. Just use your creativity, and when you do, please send us your creations. We really want to see them, and we really want to tell everybody about the cool stuff that you guys create. So yeah, don't keep it a secret. Share it, please. Moving on, there's a new Chateau, an upgrade of the Chateau 5G. And one thing that I want to remind about the Chateau devices, these are mainly for mobile operators. You don't usually buy a separate Chateau. You go to your mobile operator and they either give you a Chateau within your mobile internet contract, or if they don't have it, you tell them, guys, what's up? We don't want these nonsensical devices we've been using before. Give us a MikroTik Chateau. And together we will create a better mobile internet environment everywhere. Trust me. Now, moving on, there's a couple of really curious devices, like the APA1. It is basically not really a voltage converter. It's something much more than that. But you would usually use it in a car, in a bus, on a boat to protect your devices when there's all sorts of voltage spikes and different types of connectivity and so on. So you can read all about it, watch the video, and yeah, we here at MikroTik we always like to say that preventing a problem is so much easier and so much cheaper than fixing it. So when it comes to protecting your devices, whatever you do today, it will save you so many nerves, money, and time tomorrow. So be smart, guys, be smart. Moving on, some happy news. Once again, we have won the export award here in Latvia. There's this agency that deals with investments and all sorts of stuff, like connecting the official structures, the government, and the businesses. And every year they try to look at the market and just come up with an idea which companies perform the best. And when it comes to export, MikroTik is obviously one of the main players here in Latvia. But one thing that is certain, it would not be possible without you guys. So for any award, any success, we always stay humble and say thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It would not be possible without all the passionate, smart, loyal, and creative people behind so many ISP and other setups all around the globe. So thank you. And like 1 year before, these good news come in pairs. And once again, we got an award. And our best friends at LMT, the leading mobile network operator in Latvia, they also got an award. So yay for that, and congrats to our friends. But as always, main congrats go out to you guys. Thank you. As always, we have some new micro tips. You can get the knowledge straight from the source. There's some Druvis. You see some visual changes with him on one of the thumbnails. So you can go to that video and type some comments with your guesses what happened to Druvis. And something that we don't see too often, but I hope we will see it more and more. Videos from our distributors. So this time we have a case study from West Africa and from Philippines. So it's a great way not only to see new MikroTik setups, but also to explore other cultures, other societies. For example, here in Latvia, well, I'm not the most educated man in Latvia, so there's that. But also, I have never learned more about Africa, for example, than I have working here at MikroTik. Just talking to distributors, talking to clients, and this is our opportunity to do more of that. So watch these videos, give our colleagues some love there, and yeah, as always, you can download all the visuals from this newsletter if you do like your own blogs or your own newsletters. We've seen that. We've seen also you guys taking these videos and making dubs in your own language.
Namaste. क्या आपको इसके बारे में हमारा पिछला D.I.Y
that's
वीडियो
cool.
याद है?
We are excited to see that as well. Community involvement, and that is great. So you don't worry about like copyright or something like that. If you want to spread the message, please do it. We are always grateful to see that. So that's all the news I have for you today. But there will be more news. This will be an exciting year. January has passed, and you know January is a bit slow sometimes, but the rest of the year we're just getting started. Like this Thomas the Tank Engine cartoon, like this little train who performed miracles compared to his tiny size. Well, Latvia is not the biggest country in the world, right? But we have mega plans for exciting and versatile devices, including outdoor. So stay tuned, subscribe to the newsletter, subscribe to the YouTube channel, because we want this button to change colors. But yeah, let me know in the comments what kind of news are you waiting for, and who knows, maybe we can make it happen.
Mikro. Sim,